What's the meaning of bog standard? Bog standard. Bog standard.
Bog standard. Bog standard. The term bog standard is a British slang phrase used to describe something that is ordinary or basic. It often implies that the thing being described lacks any distinguishing features that would make it stand out from the crowd. For example, a bog-standard car might refer to a typical, unremarkable vehicle without any special features or modifications. The phrase likely originated from the use of the word bog as a synonym for a wet, marshy area, which is considered plain and unremarkable. Overall, when someone uses the term bog standard, they are generally indicating that something is unremarkable or average in some way.